Hey guys, what's up? Bryan here. Thanks for tuning in today. So we did it. We hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys just a really quick, short video over how to get entered into the contest for that left side cleanup. I wanted to go ahead and go over some of the highlights that I've had over the last year and a half of actually our YouTube journey together. And I want to go ahead and touch on something that happened to me last week. So let's go ahead and roll the intro. Hey guys, what's up? Bryan here. Thanks for tuning in today. So first off, like I said, we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. With that 1,000 subscriber mark actually does come monetization with the channel, and unfortunately guys, that does mean that you are gonna start seeing ads popping up on some of my videos. They do have an option to skip them, but hopefully, you know, some of the ads will actually be things that you guys might need, you might purchase. So if they do, click on them. I might get a percentage back, you know, actually get a little bit more money to sink into the channel. Now I also want to take a second to go over some of my highlights over the last year and a half of doing YouTube. So let's go ahead and roll just a few clips. If you're anything like me, you love your
Look at that, that was magic. Did you see me talking without moving my lips?
If you don't like the thought of handing your keys to somebody
that's bad. A video of me rolling around. I think I might be having a seizure down there.
You drain the oil filter while you're up here.
More video of me rolling around. That's nice.
Shut it off.
Now, little known fact, on this I had already filled up the oil and rode around. So on here, I'm just acting like I'm dumping oil in.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today.
Is that a chair and my dresser in the background? Wow.
If you want to try and cure that a little bit, stick around.
Amateur.
Saw some AIS.
Nice wavy video on the GoPro. You can't beat that. Can you even read that text?
Now the next part that I want to talk about are life lessons. So last week I actually learned a really big lesson in life, and if you saw my last video, also I've got a new exhaust coming in. I finally am getting rid of that Speed Star. I'm stoked. Well, bad news is I got scammed. I got ripped off. The guy took my money, never sent the exhaust. I paid through PayPal, learned a huge lesson that way too. Apparently when you pay through friends, you can't file a claim and get your money back. You have to pay through business. So you guys out there, if you use PayPal quite a bit, I don't really, you know, you may know a lot more about it than I do, but if you don't use it, if you're like me, you know, make sure that you're using that business if you're doing something like that, because that covers you so that if something like this does happen, you can actually get your money back. I'm filing right now with my bank, and they've got a way to actually get the money back. So, I mean, eventually I will get the money back, but, you know, it would have been a lot easier to go through PayPal and have it done that way, because my bank, I think it said, can take 2 to 3 months to get the money back, you know. And it sucks because, you know, more than anything, the money sucks, yeah, but more than anything, I was looking forward to that exhaust. Like I said in the last video, you know, that was one of my favorite exhausts. And to know that, you know, it's not coming, it sucks. You know, it really does. You know, I just keep hoping every day that the pipes are gonna show up, you know, that maybe he took forever to ship them, or maybe, you know, something happened, I don't know, and I keep hoping that they're gonna show up on my doorstep, but who knows? We'll see. As for now, I'm sticking with the Speed Star, I guess. You know, I was really looking forward to getting out of it. You know, it's not my favorite exhaust. I don't know what it is, you know. A lot of people like them, and they're a really sought after exhaust, but for me personally, I just like the sound of the 2-in-2, and I think that's more what I'm looking for. So I'll be on the lookout for another exhaust. Unfortunately, I've got to build up some more money to get saved up to get an exhaust. So, and I know I've been building it up, but we've got that giveaway coming up. And I want to go ahead and give you guys information on how to get entered into it so that somebody can win that left side cleanup. And it's actually going to include the Barron's AIS block-off plates, a small kit to relocate your fuel pressure regulator, and then a kit to redo the lines and the dry brake. And it's going to be Vibrant Performance lines and a Vibrant Performance quick release. And I haven't bought the lines or the connections yet because I'm waiting for whoever wins the contest to actually choose which color they want. So they've got, I think, black, red, and blue. So, you know, whoever wins, you can decide which color you want to go with. I'll have everything shipped to you, and then I'll just have actually those pieces drop shipped as well. Now, what you'll need to do to get entered into the contest is actually go to this website right here, and there's going to be 3 different ways to get entered in. So be sure to go visit that, do all 3 of those ways to get entered in, and it's actually going to run, I think, 12 days. It's going to start today at noon, and it's going to run through, I believe, Saturday at midnight in 12 days, and then I will make a video on Sunday deciding who the winner is, and then on Monday I'll post it. Or I will live stream Monday if I can and do it that way. We'll see kind of how it goes. I'm not quite sure yet. But we'll have one video next week in between, and then we'll do the actual contest winner the following Monday. Now guys, if you're not subscribed, be sure to scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, get notified to new videos when they come out. I usually put them out once a week, every Monday, so be sure to watch for those. You know, other than that, guys, we'll see you next time.